So after you have loaded the camera images into PTGUI, you select Advanced just so you can see all of the tabs because you may need to use some of the advanced tabs. And the first thing I like to do is sort the camera images so that the corresponding cameras are next to each other. So and then I also like to go to the mask tab, and for some reason it's loading the images sideways, so I just rotate them all. This doesn't affect the alignment, the algorithm that does the control points. It's just easier when you're reviewing the images to have them all, facing upright. And then click on in the first tab, click on Align Images, so it automatically try to generate control points. And hopefully it will say that it will be able to generate control points for all the images. So if it does, it'll create an initial stitch for you. And if it isn't able to generate control points for all the images, it'll give you like a message saying it wasn't able to generate control points, and it won't be able to create this for you. So you'll have to manually assign control points, which I'll cover in a second video. But if you look at the stitch and it looks pretty good, then you can review all the control points here. So you can see between 0 and 1 it found all of these control points. Between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 3 and 4. And good control points will have a distance that's less than 10 pixels. If you have control points that have a distance that's 20 pixels or more, that's generally not a good quality control point, so you may want to delete the control points that have larger pixel distances. But first you should just go to the optimizer and it'll analyze your control points, run optimizer. It'll look at your control points and try and figure out the quality. And in this case, it's saying it's not bad, which you prefer to have it say that this is good, but in this case, it seemed not bad is acceptable. And then once you have that, then you need to select the settings for your panorama. Here, it's using the full size panorama, which is going to end up being a 60 megabyte final image. But you can change the width and height to be a smaller size. So here I'll just say 4 megapixels. Now I don't really want to create the panorama. All I want to do is save the control points. So I can just go to save project, and just say rename this control points. And then I'll use that file for the batch stitching, which I'll cover in a second video.